Assalamu alaikum, dear students, and let's continue the topic of present perfect continuous. In the previous class, we discussed why we use present perfect continuous. Definition is written on the board. That present perfect continuous talks about an action that started in the past and still which is going on or just finished. We also discussed we use two prepositions for time period. Number one, for, number two, since. Then we discussed how to use for and how to use since. Afterwards, I wrote down three formula, okay, but I could not explain because of the shortage of time. Formula of affirmative, subject plus, I have written have, has, been. Actually, it is have been and has been. Plus verb plus ing. Grammatical name of verb plus ing is present, okay, participle. Grammatical name of verb plus ing is present participle. You also call it fourth form, right? Plus object plus for or since is the formula. Formula of negative, subject plus have not been, has not been, plus verb plus ing plus object plus for or since. Formula of interrogative, number one position have or has according to subject, plus subject plus being. We have two helping verbs in this sentence, means in this tense, have been or has been. We are using two helping verbs in one sentence, either have been or has been. In negative or in interrogative sentences, what happens? If it is negative sentence and we have two helping verbs, we use not right after main helping verb. I cannot say subject plus have been not, subject plus has been not. It cannot happen. It will be incorrect. Similarly, in the interrogative sentences, I cannot use has been plus subject or have been plus subject. Then I continue my sentence. No, it cannot happen. ऐसा हो ही नहीं सकता. आपका सेंटेंस इनकरेक्ट हो जाएगा. और ऑप्शंस में जब आप चूज कर रहे होंगे इस तरह का कोई भी सेंटेंस, तो ऑप्शन में आपको इस तरह का एक सेंटेंस मिलेगा जिस तरह मैंने आपको बताया है, मिक्स करके कंबाइन करके हेल्पिंग वर्ब्स को, जो आप स्किप कर देंगे. लेट्स टॉक अबाउट हैव एंड हैज. अब जरा हैव और हैज की बात कर लेते हैं कि हैव किसके साथ यूज करें, हैज किसके साथ यूज करें. Use of have, ओके. तो हम लिखते हैं we use have with first person second person and third person plural. We use have with first person, second person and third person plural. अब ये फर्स्ट पर्सन, सेकंड पर्सन और थर्ड पर्सन प्लूरल क्या है? I first person, we first person, you second person, they third person plural, people, children, boys, etc. We use have with first person, second person and third person plural. For example, I have, you have, we have, they have, people have, children have, boys have, girls have, my friends have, students have, teachers have, stars have, like this. Let's talk about has. Use of has. तो अब हम बात कर लेते हैं कि भाई we use has with third person singular. We use has with third person singular. What is third person singular? He, she, it, a boy, okay, my father, okay, similarly the son, okay, etc. We use has with third person singular only. सिर्फ थर्ड पर्सन सिंगुलर के साथ हम has यूज करते हैं. For example, he has, she has, it has, a boy has, a girl has, my father has, my mother has, my brother has, my sister has, my teacher has, the sun has, the moon has. इस तरह से हम यूज करते हैं has को. This is the difference between the use of have and has. इसको आपने ध्यान में रखना है. अच्छा, अब इसके बाद ये तो मामला हो गया. अब हम कुछ सेंटेंसेस लिखते हैं अफर्मेटिव में, नेगेटिव में और इंटरोगेटिव में प्रेजेंट परफेक्ट कंटिन्यूअस के, ताकि हमारी प्रैक्टिस हो सके थोड़ी सी. अच्छा, I am writing question here. क्वेश्चन है change into नेगेटिव एंड इंटेरोगेटिव। ओके, हमें नेगेटिव और इंटेरोगेटिव में चेंज करना है ईच सेंटेंस। सेंटेंस नंबर 1, we have been we have been playing we have been playing for we have been playing for 2 hours. We have been playing for 2 hours. I have to change it into negative and interrogative. So this is negative. We have not been we have not been playing for 2 we have not been playing for 2 hours. I cannot use not after being. Now interrogative. Have we been playing for 2 have we been playing for 2 hours? Interrogative. Because I shall give you some homework to change into negative and interrogative sentences of present perfect continuous. That's why. Let's translate the sentence. Number 1, we have been playing for 2 hours. हम 2 घंटे से खेल रहे हैं. We have not been playing for 2 hours. हम 2 घंटे से नहीं खेल रहे हैं. Have we been playing for 2 hours? क्या हम 2 घंटे से खेल रहे हैं? We have been playing for 2 hours. We have not been playing for 2 hours. Have we been playing for 2 hours? ये आपका बन जाता है अफर्मेटिव, नेगेटिव, इंटरोगेटिव और ट्रांसलेशन बन जाती है. सेकेंड सेंटेंस, she has been she has been waiting here since she has been waiting here since evening. Negative. She has not been waiting here since evening. Interrogative. Has she been waiting here since evening? She has been waiting here since evening. She has not been waiting here since evening. Has she been waiting here since evening? Okay. She has been waiting here since evening. वो शाम से यहाँ इंतजार कर रही है. She has not been waiting here since evening. वो शाम से यहाँ इंतजार नहीं कर रही है. Has she been waiting here since evening? क्या वो शाम से यहाँ इंतजार कर रही है? अंडरस्टैंड. इस तरह से बेटा आप लोग सेंटेंसेस को चेंज करते हैं प्रेजेंट परफेक्ट कंटिन्यूअस के नेगेटिव और इंटेरोगेटिव में. आपको सेंटेंसेस दूसरे टेंस से भी कन्वर्ट करने होंगे प्रेजेंट परफेक्ट कंटिन्यूअस में. बट नाउ आई एम प्रोवाइडिंग यू सम सेंटेंसेस टू चेंज इनटू नेगेटिव और इंटेरोगेटिव, जो आप लोग खुद चेंज करेंगे. You people will have to change into negative and interrogative. And translate into Urdu. Sentence number 1. It has been raining since last night. It has been raining since last night. Beta, last night means गुज़िश्ता रात for translation. Okay. Dogs have been barking for 1 hour. The gardener has been watering the plants for half an hour. The gardener has been watering the plants for half an hour. Watering means पानी देना. Children have been learning their lesson since evening. He has been stealing since 2018. Dear students, we have these 5 sentences. Okay, you will change them into negative and interrogative, and then you will translate them into Urdu. If you have any problem, you can ask me. Do a great care of yourselves. Allah.